Hi everyone, it's Elisa from Elisa Marie Designs, and I am getting ready to open the second of my two diamond paintings that came today. I'm actually leaving Quiet Snow, which was the first one that I opened, on my desk. This was the first one, so you can go back and look at that one if you wish. And I'm really pressed for time, that's why I didn't roll it up. That too. Dreamer Designs. Paint with Passion. Why diamond paint? All your instructions are on the box. Don't forget your code for 15% off the next time that you decide that you want a diamond painting. Here we go. 2 of 2. I'm doing them separately because I think each diamond painting really deserves its own unboxing and own video. But I left her out just in case you said, oh, what was the first one? There she is. And Poofy's pacing like a lion because he wants to sit up here with me, and he can't right now because, like I said, I'm pressed for time, but I want to get these done because I want to start kitting up for 2025. Here is what I am opening today. Golden Christmas. Another new to me artist. I am so proud of myself that I decided to really, expand the artist that I do diamond painting. But again, the diamond painting needs to have a personal connection with me. And I just, I don't know. I think I love dolls. I have a doll collection, so many collections I have of dolls. But I am now looking to venture out into other scenes. You have this beautiful bag. Dreamer Design logo. Purple is their brand color, as you can see on the canvas. Tied here. Boom. Take that out. I am going to unroll this really quickly. Oh, it's a beautiful scene. Oh, I love it already. Forget it. Forget it. I love it. I love the color palette. It's gorgeous. It is gorgeous. And such a difference from the other winter scene that I got. Look at this. It is 49 colors. It is 1 AB. Oh no, 2 crystals. 2 crystals. No ABs. Okay. This is by Shawna Stewart. Legally licensed, artlicensing.com. It is a round diamond, 80 by 60 centimeters. I take these stickers off. I place them right inside my diamond painting book. I love them. I think they're just a nice size. They're not too big. They're not too small. Gorgeous. Let's take a look in here. You have your brochure with your instructions. Welcome to the family. Paint with Passion. Here are the socials. Inside there's some tips and tricks and how to diamond paint. And again, a bonus. Thank you, 15. I'm also a Dreamer Design affiliate, so you can use my code. I'll put it in the link. No cost to you, but it supports this channel, and I appreciate that very much. The beautiful Dreamer Design toolkit. It's very generous. I love Dreamer Designs toolkits. You have a fantastic, everything that you need is in here. I think with every diamond painting kit, everything that you need is in there. Dreamer Design logo, a nice big boat. Drop the foot down to get your drills out when you have to put them back. When you use your drills, when you're done with your canvas, there's some extra baggies to put any extra drills in. You have this great separator that you can put in your boat that will separate your diamonds for you. You have 2 caddies of wax. I have bought toolkits just for this wax because to me, it's like a wax. It's like a putty. I love it. You get 2 squishies to go on the 2 diamond painting pens that you get. You get the standard diamond painting pen and you get a cone. I use the cone with water to pick up AB drills so that they don't stick. I get a little wet paper towel, dab it in, pick up my AB drills. Your AB drills have a special coating on them that make them even extra shiny. You get these tweezers, again, Dreamer Design, brand it, keep the cap on, very sharp. You get these with every kit, whether it's a round or a square. And you get your little multi-placers. Oh, did I miss one? Did I lose one? I probably lost one. But I don't really use these because I use skinny placers, but I always have one. I always have the aligner on one of these pens, either one. Love my aligner. I use it for so much. I keep saying I'm going to do a video on the aligners and all the things that I use them for. Fabulous kit. Beautiful drawstring bag. It's all these little extras that I think you get with Dreamer Designs that are just so special and lovely. Put you on the side. Put this on the side. Put that away, the very sharp tweezers. Put the cap back on. Let's take a look at this canvas. Okay, it is a poured glue, so I'm going to roll it back on itself so that it will lie flat. As you can see, let me do it from this end. Oh, this is another landscape. So this is my second landscape out of all the diamond paintings that I bought for, you know, Black Friday. I almost said Good Friday again. I swear to God I did. So you have a legend on this side. Let me jack this up a little bit higher. Let me move this light out of the way. The lighting and the glare are the biggest part of being a creator trying to do a video. Now I look like I'm actually filming by candlelight. So I'm going to roll this back on itself, but while I do, you have the Dreamer Design logo. You have a legend on this side. Okay, and you're going to have a legend on the other side too. That's your little your little key code, your little symbol code to look up your symbols and what color goes where. Oh gosh, I am loving this palette. So again, here's on the other side, and you have a lifetime warranty on this. So if anything should happen to your canvas, you just send an email to support at Dreamer Designs. You have any missing drills, anything that doesn't look right, just call them. Again, email them. I guess you could call them if you want to. The tagline here, paint with passion. I absolutely love it. You have the socials in the other corner, and you have this beautiful thumbnail, Golden Christmas. The design is 80 by 60 centimeters or 31.5 inches by 23.6 inches. Get in the shot, Lee. Shawna Stewart. Oh, beautiful. Let's look at this. Is it not gorgeous? There is just something so beautiful. I've said this I love all colors. I don't think that there's a color that I don't like. But I love rich browns and golds and blues together. Stunning. Love candles, these different size candlesticks, staggering them from high to low. Beautiful, again, snowy scene. The blues, the browns, the golds. It's a very rich painting. Very rich. Just a few shots of red in here. Just a few little dabs of red down here. Let me see what that red is here. Let me see in the picture. Oh, they're just like little, they look like little, the candlesticks have like little berries on them. If you can see that right there. Very nice. Let's look at the drills. Here they are. Here they come. A lot of blacks, browns. Oh, I see those little crystals. They are the gold. If you want to store your drills and not open them now, Golden Christmas is already labeled for you. And I love that Dreamer Designs puts the drills packaged for you in number order. Very nice. So let's take a look at what is what here. I'm going to open this up off camera so that you don't get all this noise in the background. Be right back. Usual suspects on this canvas, 2 of 310, of course. 317, 318, and 413. These are your grays. And then we have 414, 433, 434, 435, 436. I love a little family all together. Love it. I love when drills, yeah, and here's 437. 452, 453, 535, 543, 640, like a very light pineish color. 640, 645, 646, 647, 648. Oh, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven. I love when colors are all, you know, like little families. 738, 739, and 840. A lot of little tans and creaminess. 841, 844, 898, two of those, 2898, 918, 920, and 934. I believe that this is avocado dark, avocado green dark. This has become one of my favorite colors too, because I love black, but I love different shades of black too. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, a few of them. Oh, the gods are listening. 4 of that 938. I believe that is avocado dark green black. Crazy name, right? 975, 976, 977, 3021, 3371. 2 of those, 3 of those. Okay, maybe even 4. Let's see here. Is that it? No. Oh, 3781. Kind of like these, really like these avocado greens. 3787, 3790, 3799. Again, one of my favorite colors. I love a dark pewter gray. 3826, 3827, 3828, 3855, and 3860. 3861, 3862, 3863, 3864, and then we have our crystals. Now, I found a use for my tweezers. I can't find my scissors because I'm displaced in my home right now with all the holiday decorating and all, but I took my tweezers and I just repunctured these little perforations. It's interesting. I was, I forget what canvas I was opening up yesterday, but I was like, wow, I don't even need scissors. I never really noticed that Dreamer Design drills separate so nicely. You could just tear them. And of course, I was doing that this time, which is why I didn't look for the scissors with Quiet Snow. And were they separating? No, they were giving me a hard time. There you go. So here are those 2 sparklers, 727, LZ 5200, LZ 5200, which is a white, and LZ 727, which it's like a lemony, a lot of green in here, a lot of darker green. I'm really surprised. Let's see where they go. 0 and 2. So, okay, the 2, of course, is going to be the candlelight. And on the 0, which is the white, you would think it would be those little snow caps there. It's not. That little snow on there, it's not. It's not there either. It's not any of the, like obvious, like snow. Oh no, it's going to be, there's some here in this candle. Well, yeah, there's just a few. So you have the candlelight, and in the center of some of them, you have this little whitish light that's coming through in the candles. See a lot of black here. What is this design here? Black. The usual suspects in the sky. The black, the pewter gray. Let me see. What symbol is that? N. I love that there's like almost like a green in the sky. N. 934. Usually it's 933 and 939. Let's look for 934. Let's see if I can do this gingerly without making too much noise. Oh, of course, 938, 938. Let's do this one. It has to be all the way down the other end, right? Hold your ears. 934. Oh, it's not the sky either. Oh, is it? No. I'm just going to go for it. I can cut this out. Nine, 3, 4. And I can just tear this very easily. 934. It's up in this sky here. See that? Right in there. And then we have the black, the 310. And the 3799. So I wanted to pull a few other colors for you so you can get an idea. And you're going to have your pewter gray and your 934, which is that dark avocado black, and your black, of course, is going to be a continuation through the background. Even in here, the same three colors. You have your crystals that are going to light your candles with that little spark of white in them. And then for your buildings, you're going to have that family of color all together. They're in here, they're in the buildings, they're here. And then the rest are those lavenders and purples and that little shot of red there. Beautiful canvas. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to love looking at this next year during the holidays for 2025. I am so happy with each canvas that I have opened up during my Black Friday, Cyber Monday craziness shopping. I had so much fun. I've been introduced to new artists that I think are just wonderful. And I'm, so excited to get started. So being that I sent back 3 of my Curtises, well, look how pretty that scene is right there. It's so gorgeous. I am going to get started now with Kit Up. The only one that I'm waiting for is Cafe Terrace by Van Gogh from Diamond Painting Shop. And that's going to go into my foyer, in my little coffee station. I think it's going to be spectacular because there's 12 ABs in that one. And that'll be my last unboxing. And yeah, so I'm going to kit up my angels probably tomorrow. Tonight, I am going to be live at around 7:30. I'm going to be in my little art room because there's just so much chaos in this living room anymore between foofy and shopping. And that's why I'm kind of in a rush because I'm getting ready to do some shopping of my own today. And I'm going to be working on these today. These are from Michael's Make Market. Look at this adorable ornament. And so you get 3 of them, and each of them take 2 to complete. This one has a little bow on top. They came with a little ribbon. This one has a star on top. So I got 2 of these and 2 of these. It's going to make 2 more ornaments, and they are front and back. They take a while. If you're watching something in front of the television, you're not too distracted. There are 15 colors, and one included AB, which is the AB 08, which is the white ABs for a little bit of sparkler. I think that they are the sweetest. I had intended to do these with children, and the age group that I was looking at, it was a no. I would have, of course, opened one to try it out for myself, and then said, well, I'll let the kids do the other 2, but I think they're a little bit too young for something like this. I'm having a second look with Michael's Make Market. I think the drills have really, had a little bit of an upscale, and I think that these are gorgeous. I think the colors are rich and sparkly, and those little added AB diamonds on there, just so sweet. So I'm going to be doing these tonight at 7:30. Just checking in with everybody. Grab yourself something. If you're along the East Coast, grab yourself something warm for tonight because it's cold, and I'm not looking forward to getting out there, but we do have some snow. I think it's snowing again. Yeah. Such a lovely time to just sit by your window and diamond paint and look at the snow and have something warm and cozy to drink. So I hope you enjoyed all my unboxings, and I will see you later on tonight, tomorrow, and the rest of the week as we say goodbye to 2024 and get ready for 2025. I'm so looking forward to this upcoming year. I'm just so filled with joy, so much joy, and my diamond painting just makes that and my time with you here so much more special. So I will see you as always in the next one. Keep creating that world that you want to live in. Bye.